Stop! This tiny oil leak could cost you a complete engine rebuild. At first, it doesn't look serious. Just a little engine oil leaking around the dipstick. Most riders ignore it and keep riding, but that's a big mistake. As the oil level drops, your engine loses proper lubrication. Friction increases. The engine runs hotter and critical parts wear out much faster. A leak this small can turn into a very expensive repair. So, let's find the real problem. I removed the dipstick housing and there it was, a missing oil seal. Without this tiny seal, engine oil escapes every time the engine is running. The solution is quick but important. Install a new oil seal, make sure it fits perfectly, then reassemble everything. Now the leak is completely gone. The engine is properly sealed, and the oil stays exactly where it belongs. Always fix an oil leak as soon as you see one. Sometimes a $2 oil seal can save a $2,000 engine. Follow MotoFixerPro for real motorcycle repair tips that actually work.